Hi there, little explorers. Did you know that elephants are the biggest animals that live on land? They are so tall and heavy, like living mountains. But they're not just big on the outside. They have big brains too. That means they are very, very smart. Elephants can remember faces, places, and even feelings for a long, long time. Sometimes even forever. Isn't that amazing? Imagine this. An elephant meets another elephant at the waterhole. They play together and splash with their trunks. Splash. Then they don't see each other for 10 whole years. But when they meet again, guess what? They remember each other. They wiggle their ears and make happy trumpet sounds like "Pawoo." That's because their memory is like a photo album in their brain. Elephants also remember the way to water and food, even when it's really far away. In the dry season, when everything is hot and dusty, they don't get lost. They lead their families to places they visited years ago. The older elephants, called matriarchs, are the smartest. They remember paths, rivers, and even danger spots. They're like walking maps with floppy ears. Do you know how else elephants use their great memory? They remember who is kind and who is not. If a person or animal was nice to them, they will be gentle and friendly. But if someone scared them, they remember to stay away. That's why we must always be kind to elephants and all animals too, because elephants don't forget kindness or meanness. Elephants live in groups called herds, just like a big elephant family. They help each other, take care of babies, and remember each other's voices. Even if one elephant is far away, they can call with their trumpets and hear it miles away. And yes, they know exactly who it is just from the sound. It's like calling your best friend and hearing, "Hi, I know that voice." Baby elephants are called calves, and they learn from their mommies and aunties. They watch, copy, and remember everything. They remember how to use their trunk to drink water, pick grass, and even blow bubbles. And when they grow up, they remember those lessons and teach the younger ones too. Learning and remembering keeps the herd safe and happy. Here's something fun. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. That means they know what they look like, just like you do. If you show an elephant a big mirror, it might look, wave its trunk, or touch its face. That's a sign of a very smart brain and a really good memory too. Try making a funny face in the mirror now, just like an elephant would. Hee hee. Sometimes elephants visit special places called elephant graveyards. These are spots where elephants passed away a long time ago. The herd will stop and stand quietly, almost like they are saying, "We remember you." They even touch the bones gently with their trunks, like a hug. That shows elephants not only remember things, they have big feelings too. They feel love, sadness, and joy, just like us. And guess what? Elephants even remember people they haven't seen in a long, long time. There are stories of elephants who see an old friend after many years, and they run to them, flap their ears, and trumpet with joy. Some elephants even remember their human caretakers from when they were babies. Imagine an elephant giving you a trunk hug just because they remember you. Oh, that's the sweetest thing ever. So, why do elephants never forget? Because their brains are big, their hearts are full, and they care so much. They remember to stay safe, to help their family, and to love their friends. They remember their past, their paths, their people, and their herd. Isn't that just the coolest thing you've heard today? Yay! You're now an elephant expert. You learned that elephants remember faces, places, and love. Now you can tell your friends, "Hey, did you know elephants never forget?" Which elephant fact was your favorite? This is ZOZA, your animal adventure buddy, saying bye for now. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep your heart as big as an elephant's. See you next time for more wild wonders. Bye.